In this video, I will show you how to get a Japanese Roblox display name. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new tab and come across to google.com. Then what you can do is go ahead and type Google Translate and give this a search. And what you want to do is of course change this to Japanese. So in the second box, you want to change the second box to Japanese. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and enter the display name that you want to be displayed in Japanese. For example, Tech Tutor, and it's going to give you the characters here. So I'm actually going to do this on a different account because I don't want to change my name on this one. So here we are on one of my alternative accounts. Now, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the gear icon and come and click onto settings. And all you need to do is simply copy these characters here, come back to settings, click onto your display name here, and what you can do is paste those characters into here. Once you click save, as you can see, your display name is now going to change, and of course you've got a pop-up saying save successfully, and you can see it's still showing in English, but if I actually come up and refresh the page now, and you can see when the page refreshes that I've got the Japanese characters. So I can come back to Roblox onto the home screen, and you can see everything is now in Japanese. So that is how to get Japanese Roblox display name. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.